Give up now or you'll simply become an energy cube like all your friends. Nothing more than fuel for my manifestation gate.
Only if I don't beat the game first! And I'm about to beat you, Billy Dyer, unless you turn my breath back right now. I know who you are. We figured it out. So let's drop the whole Unagami thing and just call you
Dyer is my maker.
Maker?
The one I see. The energy cubes will allow me to open the portal between this realm and the realm of the maker. So I may confront him.
Dyer is your maker?
But he attempted to shut me down. This is why I must find him. He must explain himself.